IEBC chairman Wafula Chebukati and 2 other commissioners over the presidential results. 4 Kenyans have sent petitions to Parliament seeking the removal of the 4 commissioners, Juliana Cherera, Irene Masit, Francis Wanderi and Justus Nyagaya, on grounds of gross violation of the Constitution.
Commissioners grossly misconducted themselves by A, concurring to support the unlawful attempt to alter the results of the presidential elections in favor of one candidate, or in the alternative to force a runoff. B, acting in liaison with one faction in a presidential election. C, refusing to follow the well set out guidelines for the verification and tallying announcement of the presidential elections.
According to the petitioners, the press conference the 4 held a few hours before the declaration of the presidential results at Bomas of Kenya was an act of abuse of their office, and that it showed how incompetent they were to continue holding office.
Issuing press statements with close semblance with the press statements by Azimio la Umoja One Kenya presidential candidate, contrary to Articles 10, 732 BC, 75, 232 and 249 of the Constitution.
The petitions were rekindled the political rivalry between Kenya Kwanza Coalition and Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party, as MPs differed on the petitions.
We allow the committee to consider that petition, and I think it's just the first stage in such a process when you're dealing with constitutional commissions.
The deputy CEO of IBC, Madam Ruth Kulundo, is in court on, among other things, convening a meeting with the 4 commissioners to decide on legal representation. So this House will be contravening its own rules, and indeed the law generally, by entertaining a petition that is touching on issues that are actively before court. I don't see the urgency.
The case that is in court is not about the removal of the 4 commissioners. It is about hiring of the lawyers. And I think the committee will be able to look at